The primary purpose of this project is to demonstrate the integration of Azure Cognitive Services Text-to-Speech (TTS) capabilities within an ASP.NET Core application. By leveraging Azure's powerful TTS API, this project aims to convert written text into natural-sounding speech, providing a seamless and efficient solution for various applications such as accessibility tools, interactive voice response systems, and content creation. Creating a new ASP.NET Core project is straightforward. Launch Visual Studio on your computer. On the Start window, select Project Template. Enter a project name, location, and solution name. Click Next. Install required NuGet packages. For text-to-speech, you need Microsoft.Cognitive Services, Speech, search this. Hit on Install button. Add the key and region to your ASP.NET Core project. To securely store your API key and region, you can add them to your appsettings.json. Make all save change. To explicitly specify the file location, modify your program.cs or startup.cs to include the exact path. Make all save change. Add default controller as text-to-speech. Make all save change. Implement a controller to handle TTS generation. For this, add new controller having name text-to-speech. Add class-level private fields. These fields store the Azure subscription key and region, which are necessary to authenticate and configure the Azure Speech service. These are initialized in the constructor using the app's configuration settings. Create TTS Model Class. The TTS Model Class is a view model used in the text-to-speech functionality, representing the data that will be sent to or received from the view. Text. This property holds the text input that the user wants to convert to speech. It is marked with two validation attributes. Make all save change. This action method initializes a TTS model and passes it to the view. The index view is rendered with the empty model, allowing the user to input the necessary data. Create Generate Speech Action method. This is a post method that handles speech synthesis. It accepts a populated TTS model from the form submission in the index view. This block checks if both text and selected voice are provided. If either is missing, an error is added to the model state, and the view is re-rendered with the model and error message. The code creates a speech config object using the Azure subscription key and region. It sets the speech synthesis voice name property to the voice selected by the user. The speech synthesizer is created using the configured speech config. The second argument is set to null, which means the default audio output is used. The speakTextAsync method asynchronously synthesizes the text provided in model text. The result of the synthesis is stored in the result variable. If successful, a memory stream is created to hold this audio data, and the stream's position is set to 0. The audio is returned to the browser as an audio/MPEG file, which can be played directly in the browser. Make all save change. Create a view model. Make all save change. Make some changes here in the HTML code. Make all save change. Here I have put the CSS code for design. Here is jQuery code that we need to send the response to the server and validate the request. Now, write hello world to produce result. The result is not produced because we have not add Azure Subscription key. To create an Azure Speech resource, sign into the Azure portal, go to Azure portal and log in with your Microsoft account. In the Azure portal, click Create a Resource in the top left corner. In the search box, type speech and select speech from the list. Click Create. Choose a subscription, or create a new one. Choose the region closest to your users or where the service will be deployed, Give the resource a name and hit on Create. After creating the resource, navigate to Resource Overview. Under Keys and Endpoint, you will find 2 keys and your services region. Copy one of the keys and the region. You will need these in your ASP.NET Core project. You can download this project source code from the link given below in video description. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. And for more some tutorial please be subscribed this channel, Virtual Software Technology. Have a nice day.